video today to replace this as it's no longer functioning. It's just opening and closing freely. So I'm just going to check the other one on the other side and see how we're getting on with this one. Yeah, this one's fine. It's just this one. So we're just going to get this changed out. Taking the combi lock off now. Now I've just got to take the latch out and get the new one on. And that's the latch out as well. So both the latches are matching up. That's good. So I'll get it in and then get the new one on. That's the new one fitted. Probably needs a little bit of a loosey-goosey, loosening up a bit. That's a bit tight. Completed, all done.